Ensure the environment and DIY machine are in a safe condition before replacing any parts. Replace mixing blade. First, make sure the scissor lifting lock is open. Then, lift the mixing blade up. For safety, place an hard plate or wood rod under the mixing blade. Open the chain cover. Use the screw to fix the wheel to avoid from rotating. Take out screws by using 17 mm wrench. Note, please ensure there are at least 2% hold in the mixing blade to prevent it from falling. You can remove the mixing blade after removing all screws. Put up the new mixing blade. Lock the screws by wrench. Please tighten the screws in the opposite side of the center first, not side ones. Lock the screws by wrench. Please tighten the screws in the opposite side of the center first, not side ones. Take out screw. Keep up the screw. Close the chain cover. Move out the icon plate.